looks to continue for our Wednesday. Sunshine and very warm temperatures for this time of the year. For now, Friday we'll start to see that transition take place, the chance for showers, which is good news. We really need the moisture, and at least it looks like we may get at least some of that moisture, but not enough of it. The bigger story, though, is what happens with the thermometer by the weekend. We go way down there with those chilly temperatures. We're just kind of getting thrown right into winter-like weather. And once it gets here, it looks like it is going to stay here throughout the middle part of the month. We continue to see a very chilly pattern taking shape. Looking this morning, very quiet weather locally. We've got a few red flag warnings down in southeast Ohio with elevated fire danger. Just a product of the warm temperatures, the dry ground, and increasing south flow today. But very interesting to see hurricane advisories and warnings, and we also have winter storm warnings and blizzard warnings on the same map here within the lower 48. You can see, of course, in the cold air, we've got the blizzard warnings, the winter storm warnings from the Dakotas there through the northern and central Rockies, and then you have the hurricane warning there across the east coast of Florida. We do have Tropical Storm Nicole expected to briefly become a hurricane and make landfall later on this evening near West Palm Beach, and that's going to be the moisture we're going to be tracking from Nicole that will head north. And that will be our chance for rain in the forecast Friday, as we'll be tracking exactly where that moisture goes. But at least some rain is expected to reach our area. But now this morning, when you step out, just know it's chilly right now. We're looking at temperatures down into the lower 30s in some spots, 34 Delphos and Fort Jennings and Columbus Grove. 37, the latest temperature here in Lima. So it's one of those days where it's hard to dress because you're wearing a coat now. Some of you may even have a little frost out there. But then by later today, we're talking weather that will feel more like late September here, looking at temperatures already by midday into the lower and mid 60s. So it is a very quick jump in temperatures. And by the afternoon, getting towards 4 p.m., we're going to see a jump of about 30 to 35 degrees in most spots with a high near 70 degrees. Looking at our forecast tonight, noticeably warmer, upper 40s to near 50. And looking at our Thursday forecast, our record high tomorrow is 70, and we are forecasting a high of 71 degrees. So again, we are looking at record territory. This is going to be the last day, though, of this warm weather. Last day, you can really wear shorts and short sleeves because we start to see some changes here on Friday. Still relatively mild, though. On Friday, we'll see highs near 60 with those clouds and shower chances. By 8 o'clock Friday night, the cold front's starting to move through, and temperatures are going to crash Friday night and by Saturday morning near freezing. But again, today, tomorrow, sunny skies all around, so be sure to soak it up. Friday, we're cloudy. We'll have the chance for showers as the moisture from the cold. Early Friday, you can see that down near Cincinnati. And as we head towards Friday midday, now moisture slug heads north, and you notice this has trended further west, so that at least puts parts of our area in a pretty good chance to get some rain. It looks like right now, fairly light rain for most of us, a 1/10 to a 1/4 inch of rain, and then the heavier totals just east. Again, we'll monitor the track of that system if it can shift any further west. But the big story is what happens Friday night with that cold front. Our high Saturday is only 42, and by Sunday, we're only looking at the upper 30s. And those overnight lows will be down into the 20s, down to 22 by Monday morning. And we stay chilly next week, and there will be the chance for a mixture of rain and snow, some wintry mixed precipitation by Tuesday of next week.
Ooh, wintry mix, eh?
Brother, not ready.
Not ready for that.